Welcome back to the course. The last lecture we covered on setting up the workspace in Oracle Apex. And now we are in the workspace, so let's get started. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 4 records, which play an important role in the Apex. The first one is the Apple Builder, which contains all the applications installed in this workspace. For now, nothing essential because it's a fresh new workspace. And we'll come back to this later so that we have this quick navigation, which is SQL Workshop. And clicking of this, we have the subsections. So when I click on this object browser, it redirects me to this object installed under this schema. Now, it's completely empty because it's a fresh new schema that I have just installed. Next, move to the team development. Whenever we had a project with multiple developers, and an administrator needs to track some issues and some other management task needs to be done, this team development tool is very handy. Developers can raise issues and open an issue and close an issue. And all this can be tracked in this dashboard. But for now, I'm the single developer in this workspace, so I am skipping this in the lecture. So next we have App Gallery. So Oracle Apex comes with default apps, which are productivity and sample apps, and they are around 20 plus in number. To get started Oracle Apex for free, you have to install this app to get to know in brief. So far, now we don't have any objects installed, so we have to start with installing these applications. So I'm going to start with a sample database application. It is simple and easy to understand. So installing and clicking on next. And then you can see the workspace and the scheme name, they are almost the same. And then I'm clicking on the install app and wait for some time. And one good thing about this Oracle Apex, all these tools and components you are seeing now is built by Oracle Apex itself. So when you're familiar with the development part, and then later on you'll be getting to know this component which clarifies itself. Now I will jump on SQL Workshop, Object Browser. The last time we saw some empty objects there. But now it comes with some tables from the sample database application. Click on this demo customer. I can view the data, constraint, triggers of the table. It is similar to the Oracle SQL Developer table structure. So if you want to type those commands, select SQL Workshop, SQL command. So let's say I'm typing, select star from demo customers. So I'm running this. I'm getting the data. We can write SQL query here in SQL command. This can be done here from the web, no need to install Oracle SQL Developer. That's good, this advantage provided by the Oracle Apex. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of next video.